Hey guys, I have something really exciting for you. In fact, hang on a second. I have to put something on. Oh, I have to have my nerdy glasses to talk to you today because I want to talk to you about how to bring fun and entertainment into your live streams and into your content, video content in particular. And while on the phone we have those kind of little filters, and we can stream and add a little bit of fun to our streams. I don't like streaming with my phone. I have my beautiful setup here. I use Ecamm Live. So for me, the thing I've discovered this week was probably like a little early Christmas present. I love having fun. I love having inspiration, and sometimes when you're not feeling like doing something, actually for me personally, if I add an element of fun into it, I always have the energy to show up. So this is a little trick that I personally use in my life. When I don't feel like doing something, I would do something like this. So I can say to you that I'm gonna give you a tutorial on how to create these beautiful Snapchat filters on your desktop and go live on Facebook or Periscope or anywhere you want. You can take it, to be honest with you can take it very far. I love this angel thing, but this is absolutely beautiful. I actually want to stay like this. That's how I feel about myself. So it's already lifting me up and making me feel really cool. So let me show you. Oh yeah, one more that I absolutely love. And I love this one too. It's real it's beautiful. Actually, it's a little bit freaky but I have to say it's really beautiful. So sometimes you want to catch attention in the newsfeed, and these filters can really help you do that. There's loads of other ones I have, and I really like my Sushi Face like this. I really do. I think that I can deliver a real value when I have my Sushi Face on. Or maybe I'll just have those glasses on. So let me show you what you need to do. Let me just share my screen. You need to head over to snapcamera.snapchat.com. And you will come to this, obviously this landing page, and you can just click on download. What you have to do here, you have to agree to their license agreement, tick the box, put your email address, and then you have an option. These buttons will become active, and you'll have an option to download it for Mac or download it for PC. Let me just show you this application here. So this is how it looks when it starts, the Snap Camera. And you have all these, I'm going to close these favorites for a second. You have all these different filters that you can use, and when you click on them, you can just transform miraculously into whoever you want, or you can just power up and have that. There's also a very interesting thing as a custom trigger, and I'll show you how to set it up, but you can create a combination of keys, so you can actually change to, like, that just became like really bad, or it just goes really completely nuts. So I mean, you don't have to do this, but I just think that sometimes it's really funny. And of course you can try things out, and the ones that you really like, you can make them favorite by clicking on the star here on the top left. But I already have my favorite, which is, as I said, this was this beautiful angel. I love this mask. I love this kind of hues, and sometimes maybe this is a lovely filter as well that also creates, if you see, it creates quite a smooth skin color, so it's beautifying you as well. There's another one that's really, that's a green one. I have loads of things, like I have all these glasses. I love these glasses on me. I think they suit me. I have 20/20 vision, but God help me when I'm losing my sight. I am going to go nuts. I'm going to become a second Molly Mahoney and have like crazy glasses on. Wait and see. So let me just go into the top right here and show you the settings for this camera. So this is very simple. You can choose your camera. So there's a few cameras that I have. I have the camera that's inbuilt in my Mac. I have my C920. I have the application that manages my DSLR here as well. So you can just choose whichever camera you're normally using. You can also see that there's a flip video preview. Like, let me go into the back seat. It's now flipped, and if I just go remove it. I am looking in a different direction so you can have a look. There's a hotkey mapping, which is basically you can just create a combination of keys that will turn the lens on and off, turn that particular effect on and off, or triggers the lens effect. If I, as I showed you with that fire thing, some of those snapshot filters have, like, you can change them by tapping a combination of keys. So I've set it all up, and that's it. All I have to do is go back. So I have my favorites here. And what's the interesting thing about this, that with this camera, now if I go into my Ecamm Live, and I know, guys, because I'm streaming with Ecamm Live, I don't think that, oh, maybe no, you actually see my menu, or you won't see my screen, but you do see the menu of Ecamm Live on the top. So if I go into camera, you can see that there is a snap. Oh no, you can't see. Okay, so in Ecamm Live, I can go and choose snap camera as my camera. So while I'm recording this video, you will see me, if I just go and switch to my face, yeah, so I'm not sharing screen anymore, and this is what you're seeing is what my Ecamm Live is picking up. You can do it when you're going live directly in your browser as well on Facebook, but guys, make sure that two things: you have a very good connection, internet connection, and also that your computer is very powerful, has a lot of RAM, and can do a lot of processing, because these filters are heavy on processing, and the browsers sometimes don't handle them very well. So you might get sort of like, you know, lag maybe in sound, or some sort of glitches in visuals as well. That can happen, and if that is happening, then your system can't handle this. But Ecamm Live I love, and I always recommend, if you have a Mac or MacBook Pro or MacBook, any MacBook, Ecamm Live is the best streaming software for Facebook for me, because it just allows you to do so many things as well. But that's a separate tutorial. So I can do that, and if I tap the combination of keys that takes off my mask, you can see that I immediately take off on and on my mask. So this is it. That's how you get all these cool tutorials. And if I go back into my, I just want to put something beautiful on again. So there you go, and you can create really fun experiences and really fun streams from your desktop using these Snapchat filters. Let me know in the comments if this is something that you are going to use, or if you have used them as well. Share some snapshots if you have done this. So what are your favorite filters? I'd love to know all about it. Thank you so much for watching. My name is Juliette Stapleton. I'm a visibility strategist, bringing you some really, really cool stuff that you can bring to add that entertainment factor to your live streams.